Cool trains in Montreal. I was talking to a guy named Serge, who lives in Longueuil, and this layout is his. The whole thing fits in his garage, he told me. It's HO scale, and it's huge. And he broke it down and brought it here to Longueuil, to Saint-Constant for the show. So we'll just walk around and have a look at it. All HO scale. Fully scenic. One of the better layouts here. Yeah, I thought this was a model railroad group because of all these modules, but it's just one guy, and he's done a fabulous job with this. These waterfalls and the bridge, including this roadway. Really brilliant. That's a long train. Oh, we got a second one coming across this bridge. Wow. Double stack. Now there's plexiglass there, so people can't touch things. So if you get a glare, that's what it's from. But this is really cool. Yeah, it was quite a schlep getting here, but it's quite interesting and quite worth the trip. Here comes another, that's the BNSF train. There must have been a lot of work going into this and a lot of effort to put it up for the show. And it's really well planned as well. It's all using something like Easy Track, I guess, from Bachmann, or Cato Unitrack. The roadway is even done well. Again, it's behind plexiglass, so really well done. And it's unfortunately behind plexiglass, but it is such a beautiful layout. Just had to be shown. Many of these kits I've also had. Most motor railroader people will recognize them. A lot of these are DPM kits, like I've used in my N scale. Quite inspiring. And we're back to where we started. Oh, cool. Yeah, this is the lift out section. He just opened it up. This part lifts out. Don't know if you caught that. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.